Looking for the perfect heater to keep your swimming pool warm and comfortable throughout the season? In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best pool heaters on Amazon and help you choose the right fit. Let's start with the HAYWARD H-Series 135,000 BTU propane pool heater, model W3H135 FDP. This compact unit is specifically designed for above-ground pools and offers impressive power in a small package. With 135,000 BTUs, it's perfect for pools up to around 24 feet round. The Cupro nickel heat exchanger ensures durability against corrosion, especially in pools treated with saltwater or aggressive chemicals. It's equipped with an electronic ignition system, an induced draft for consistent heating even in windy conditions, and low NOx emissions, making it more environmentally friendly. Many users love this model because of its fast warm-up times, reliable operation, and compact footprint, which makes installation easier in tight backyards. Moving up in power, the HAYWARD H-Series 150,000 BTU propane pool heater, model W3H150 FDP, is a great option for slightly larger above-ground pools or those seeking a bit faster heat-up times. It shares the same features as the 135K model, including a corrosion-resistant exchanger, low NOx burner, and digital controls. Where it stands out is in performance. The 150,000 BTU model can heat pools up to approximately 15,000 gallons with more efficiency and less wait time. If you entertain often or use your pool daily, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference. And because it's still compact and designed with residential backyards in mind, it strikes a great balance between power and convenience. For homeowners with larger pools or those who want to heat their water rapidly, the HAYWARD H-Series 250,000 British thermal units propane pool heater, model W3H2 50 FDP, delivers outstanding performance. With significantly more heating power, this model is capable of raising the water temperature by several degrees in under an hour, depending on your pool size. It maintains the same durable construction and easy-to-use interface found in the smaller HAYWARD models, making it a favorite for those who want a high-powered solution without sacrificing reliability or safety. This heater is a strong candidate for those in colder climates who want to start swimming early in the season or extend their pool time into the fall. If you prefer a heater with advanced smart features and rugged durability, the RAYPAK Digital 266,000 BTU propane pool heater, model P-R266A-EP-C is worth serious consideration. Known for its long-lasting performance and precision, this RAYPAK model includes a microprocessor-controlled thermostat, self-diagnostic capabilities, and a wind-resistant cabinet. Its polymer headers and heavy-duty cabinet make it suitable for challenging weather conditions, while the digital display allows for easy operation and monitoring. Many pool owners choose this model for its stability, consistency, and user-friendly diagnostics. Whether you're heating an above-ground or small in-ground pool, RAYPAK offers a dependable, professional-grade experience. Finally, for small pools or eco-conscious homeowners looking for a more affordable, energy-efficient option, the VARMINPOOL 16,000 BTU electric heat pump, model KSPF-005L3R1A2, is an excellent choice. Unlike traditional propane heaters, this unit uses heat pump technology to extract ambient air heat, making it highly efficient and cost-effective to run. It's suitable for pools up to about 5,400 gallons and features a compact, lightweight design that's easy to install. Bonus features include Wi-Fi control for remote temperature adjustments and a galvanized housing that resists corrosion. Though it heats more gradually than propane units, users appreciate the quiet operation, steady performance, and low operational cost. It's an ideal solution for warm climates or homeowners seeking green energy alternatives. Thanks for watching. You'll find all the purchase links in the video description. Choose the model that fits your needs and enjoy a perfectly warm pool all season long.